So, what if we divorce, honey, and then we still live together, Han? Bukas na, uwi na. Girl, ikaw na lang dito kasi uwi na ako. Ganun ba? Yung parang...
Todo na kami, guys. Good morning, Philippines!
Sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya kung bakit nandito kami. So, what happened? What happened? Why is it on now?
Well, I put a reset on the burner, but I don't know how long it's going to last. Depends why it's tied to begin with. Before I take everything apart.
Hi guys. Good morning. Nakatulog po tayo 6 o'clock. We have to go, Han. Pumunta pala kami dito kasi itong bahay sobrang ginaw, guys, as in freezing. Kasi yung temperature is hindi gumana na yung boiler. So ngayon naging okay na. And ngayon 6 o'clock na kailangan na namin umalis kasi yung aso doon. So anyway, so yun, we're going. Nakatulog, nakaabot kami dito mga now we have to keep going. I'm driving in a way. 30 minutes, seriously. Anyway, so yun guys, so good morning pala guys. So yun, nag-away pa kami. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog papunta dito kasi nag-away talaga kami, guys. Hindi man nag-away, nag-ano lang ba? Nagsagutan dahil galit na galit siya. Kasi di ba pumunta dito yung kapatid kagabi dito para magtapon ng basura. So ngayon, chine-check din yung camera, hindi gumagana. Kasi dito sa bahay, ang daming camera. As in, ang daming camera dito. And this light here, yung light doon, automatic yan. And, yeah, automatic ito. And, hindi din nag-on kasi in-unplug nila. Ito siya. And, so yun. Itong mga table dito, this one, oh, it's a really nice piece, oh. Pinta, pag you paint this, you make it your desk. Diba? Yun. Ang dami itapon. Ito din, oh, this table. Look, it's the center table. You can paint this, but we have to throw everything. All this furniture. Pagdating namin dito kagabi, sobrang ginaw. So, natutulog ako. Natulog ako sa taas. Ito yung sinuot ko, and nag-ano ako ng habol. Sobra talagang ginaw. So, nakatulog ako. Nagising ako 3 o'clock, sabi ko sa kitami. Okay na ba yung temperature? Hindi pa raw. So, hindi pa raw. So, ngayon, sabi ko, hala, 6 o'clock na yung aso. Kailangan naming umuwi. So, yun. Anong nilagay nito sa sasakyan? What did you put over there? Anyway, bakit kami nagsagutan? Kasi galit na galit yan. Ito talagang kapatid ko. Luka-luka. Itong kapatid ko, nagpunta doon, and then nila, hindi na okay ang ano. Sabi ko, bakit naman galit ka? Wala namang gumagalaw sa boiler. Tingnan nyo ako, guys. Nakapajama pa. Kasi nagmamadali kami kagabi. Ang daming helicopter dito. I'm going to i-on ko lang itong sasakyan para hindi ko maginaw mamaya. There's a lot of helicopter out there.
You know what?
There's a lot of helicopter. How long is the thing left? Nagre-record pa siya. Okay, and then we have to run. Okay, then you run. Kailangan na namin i-prioritize this recording. Sabi pa niya, pasok ka dun. Huwag ka nang sasama. And then pagkatapos niya, sabi ko, paghilom diha. Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag kang maingay. I-close mo yung bibig mo. O sasama ako, i-drive kita. So, he makes me a driver. Kasi galit na galit yan. Kasi bakit daw itong bahay, pag pumunta yung kapatid niya dito, puro na lang may problema. So, nagagalit ako. Ikaw talaga, galit ka palagi.
What talagis?
Sama na! Palagi na lang galit sa isa kang kapatid. Sabi pa yung kapatid niya, guys, nag-usap kami. That was, I think, few weeks ago. Sabi niya sa akin, yung asawa mo, galit na galit sa akin, hindi ko alam. Sabi ko, hindi mo ba alam? Sabi ko, hindi mo ba alam na kapatid mo yun? So, dapat alam mo na, hindi yan galit. Hindi yan galit sa'yo. Ano lang yan, may tupak, sabi ko. Pero, I think mayroon konti kasi dahil sa ina nga, di ba? Dahil namatay yung ina sa puder niya. Kaya ito, hindi ata makalimutan. What else, honey? Do you want me to open the car? Who is crazy now?
Only one of us.
You.
Mm-hmm. That's the right answer.
Yay. Magtutumba man yan ba? Bahala.
Give me 1 minute.
Huh?
Give me 1 minute.
Why? The bird?
Because I hear the chirping.
Oh. The bird again. Oh, good. Ang ginaw sa kalibutan. Hala. Lubat na pala din ako. So, yun yung kadramahan namin kagabi. And then, uwi na naman kami. It's almost 7 o'clock. So, yung aso doon, gusto na to yung lumabas. Patay talang iihi yun doon. Makauwi kami doon. 8. Oh my. Kaihiun na yun ba? Sana hindi ako sumama sa kanya ay. Gusto kong sumama kasi alam ko pagod. Makatulog yun, mag-drive, nakakatakot. So, kaya sumama na lang ako. Kailangan pa talaga pakainin yung mga ibon niya. Roxy out, han? Roxy, she doesn't go pee-pee. She just go crazy. Oh, let her out. She doesn't want to do anything. She didn't pee here. Hi, Mimi. It's good girl now, baby. Go, there. Go, pee-pee. Didn't know what to do. You go, pee-pee. Go, pee. Han? You know, go. Where's Dada? Go find him. Dada! Go find him. Where is he? Go find him. Where is he? Go find him. Go, look. He's just looking. Where's Dada? Go find him, Dada. Dada. Go find him. Wallah. Where's Dada? Where is he? Go get him. Go find him. Go look for him. Go look for Dada. Dada, where are you? Hello? Where is Dada? Hello? Umiyak yan sila, guys. Naghanap kay Tami. Dada! Where is Dada? Go find him. Hello? Dada! Hello? Dada's over there. Hello? Go find him. Right there in the bathroom. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Hello? Where's Dada? Go get him. Tingnan nyo si Roxy. Go get him. He's crying and they're both crying like, well, my dad is missing. Halahan, you're... I know, baby, na you miss mama. You did. You did not ginoko. You do, baby. Uy, come here, Mimich. Hello, baby monkey ni mama. No? Come here, Rock. Why you're under me? Why are you doing under there? What are you doing? Come here, Mimich. Hello, baby ni mama. Monkey. The dog went crazy, guys. As in, seems like they're afraid of us leaving them. Like they don't wanna feel like this, like alone. Kapag iwan sila, and then magka-pipi-pupo sila dito, ang resulta, ang iniisip nila mapagalitan tayo. Kaya tinuot ko to, sabi ko hindi na ako magbra. Umalis kami kagabi, hindi na ako magbra kasi ano na nga kami kanina, naglalalis-lalis na. Sabi ko nagpajama na, sinuot lang ito para maging komportable. Walang bra. Buhay may asawa, Rox. Huwag kang mag-asawa, ha? Huwag kang mag-asawa. Huwag kang mag-asawa, baby. Huwag kang mag-asawa, okay? Don't get married, Rox, okay? Because if you get married, your husband will fight. Your husband will argue and fight and yell at you. Huh? Don't get married. Never get married. Be single forever. Because if you...
Good advice, Rox. Good advice.
Yeah, don't...
Good advice, Rox.
Tommy, if I die, don't get
Good
married.
advice.
If I die, don't get married again.
Good advice.
So, can we divorce, Han? Han?
Yeah, later on after the trial.
Huh?
After the trial.
What is the trial?
After the impeachment.
Why we have to wait? So, what if we divorce, honey, and then we still live together, Han?
Oh, that's ridiculous.
Huh?
That's ridiculous.
Why? You can't, because you cannot find another woman? You can't bring another woman? No, you cannot bring another woman here? We divorce and then we're still lovers.
What kind of ridiculous notion is that?
Hey, you know what, honey? You're the one who told me people get divorced for government help. But they're still married in their heart. And the people is not married. You told me this thing.
Yeah, because they can't afford it otherwise.
How they can get help without being single?
Well, because then they can get 2 Social Securities instead of 1.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I get old, I get Social Security. You get old, you get Social Security. Right? As a couple, we don't get 2 separate, we get 1. I die, you get the higher one.
I don't have social security because I don't work. Yeah, there is a Filipina. Remember Market America?
Mm-hmm.
I met a Filipina. And she said, you know, her husband passed away. After, you know, they get married and then he passed away. You know, she said, you know how much his social security that she getting?
What?
500.
Yeah, well, that's because he didn't work very much.
Is that what it is?
Yes. Social Security is based on how much you earn in your life.
I was shocked. Really, 500? What? He's older, hon. And that's all he
It's
got?
based on how much you didn't work a lot and you didn't make a lot. Or he worked off the books for cash.
Oh, gee.
And he never paid Social Security.
So when she get married, the government stop giving her, right? Because if she get remarried, so that means she cannot get social security from the previous husband.
Right.
Ah, okay then.
Well, no, that's not true. If she's older.
No, she is the same age as me. This is long time ago. I don't know if we're still friends on Facebook. Pagod, hindi yan natutulog kasi kagabi. Ang nangyayari, binantayan lang niya yung boiler. Binantayan niya yung boiler kasi baka mag-off. So ngayon, sabi pa niya napagod ako. I feel so tired. I said, sabi ko, di, matulog ka dyan. Jesus, baby. Jesus. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Kanina talaga, sobrang saya nila na dumating kami. Kami mama na. What did you see up there? Lunchtime na very soon. And nag-isip ako kung ano yung kakainin ko, guys. Nag-isip. Mahirap mag-isip. Joke. So, ngayon, guys, naghintay lang kami kasi pupunta dito yung kapatid ni Tamimoy. Nagising siya, naligo, dali-dali. Ako sabi ko, huwag na akong ligo. Hi, guys! may ano lang ako, may pag-usapan tayo. Here, and also my bag is here. So, andito tayo sa office ni Tami. Nakapunta na yung brother-in-law niya dito, dinala lang yung gamit. And yun. So, yun. Hey, Babag! No, stay. May nabasa ako sa Facebook. Something about, i-ano ko lang ito sa inyo kasi 'di ba yung naobserbahan na-experience ko din ito noon sa Pinas. Yung 'di ba yung mga taong nag-oopisina, tungkol ito sa mga taong nag-oopisina, mayroon silang opisina and you know, yung trabaho nila is magaan, nasa office, ganun. For example, mag-process ka ng something. Taray-tarayan ka, diba? Yung iba magtaray, ganon. And then, pabalikin ka the next day. Hindi nila alam, guys, paminsan. Yung mga taong nagpa-file ng something, diba? Nagpa-file ng something, hindi nila alam yung pamasahe nga, hiniram na sa kapitbahay, ganun. Habs, ginuo ko itong iringa. Kasi ano, yung iba, nakaano na, kasi hiniram na yung pera, and then pabalik ko na naman, and then wrong yung pag-fill up ng form, ganun. Diba, yung taray-tarayan ka, and sabihin na mag-lunch pa sila, and then balikan ka mamaya, ganun. Ganun ba? May naobserbahan ko yan, guys, noon. And then, pag-open pa lang sa door, lumaki ng mata, sigasigahan ka, ganun din yung iba. So, hindi naman lahat na gano'n, naka-opisina, trabaho, may mga mababait din, pero mostly talaga sa kanila, guys, mga ano sila, mga tayarista, mga tayarista, ano ba yan? Mga taray galore, yung mga ugali ng iba dyan. Hindi nila alam, yung iba, nagkahirap-hirap na sa pagkuha ng form, kahit sa Xerox copy ng form, nahirapan pa sila kasi mahal, ganun. Diba? And then, pabalik-balikin, ganun. Yan lang, share ko lang sa inyo na ganun sa Pilipinas. Dito, hindi naman lahat kasi yung hotel, maganda naman yung pero yung mga opisina ba na pupunta ka doon, na may i-file ka, and then may kailangan ka, or mag-ask ka, sabihin ka, ganun, hindi ko sinabi, hoy, alam mo ba yung sinabi nito? Hindi ko alam. Ganun ba? Pero dito, guys, kahit dito sa US, merong ganun din. Pero hindi ka makahanap masyado ng ganun na magtaray-taray sa'yo. Hindi ganun. Kasi kahit yung iba, kahit pagod na sila sa trabaho, parang kanila ba, kausapin, anong problema, ganun. Kahit pagod na sila yung iba, ganun. Pero doon sa Pilipinas talagang taraya na, bukas na, uwian na, ganun. Bukas na, uwian na. Girl, ikaw na lang dito kasi uwi na ako. Ganun ba? Yung parang yung mga ganong style, dito hindi mo yan makikita kasi in front of the customer. Ganun. Ay, ikaw na dito, ikaw na kasi alis na ako. Ganun. So, yun lang, guys. I-share ko lang sa inyo kasi nabasa ko yun sa Facebook, totoo talaga. Yung may gano'n na mga nag-opisina sa Pinas na feeling talaga na yung iba ba. Basta lahat ng feeling sa mundo andun na sa kanila. But anyway, so si Tami is andun pa, nanonood pa siya ng ito pala yung dala ni brother-in-law at saka marami pa nandun sa basement nilagay. So, I'm going to put this upstairs sa taas.
Hey guys.
Do you know what? And that's one of the in the House manager's case, but they did not go extensively into that, so that is a bit of an unanswered question. There have been some news reports, though, about what Pence was doing.
President Biden wants all states to follow the CDC's new guidance for. President promised to follow these new guidelines to a T.
The CDC guidelines are going to be the guide.
Drawing up a COVID-19 relief bill on Capitol Hill, still wanted to include a $15 per hour minimum wage.
Did Governor Cuomo and a bipartisan group of governors and mayors to the White House today.
Pasabi natin sa kanya, matulog na kami, guys. We're going to bed, guys. Okay. No.
That's what I said.
Matulog na kami. Guys. Matulog na kami, guys. Good boy. And he's taking his meds. Matulog na kami. Ay, kasi pagod. Ay, ginoo ko. Kaninang dahil sa lakad namin. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching as usual. Salamat sa time ninyo, ha? And I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget sa pag-like at saka sa pag-subscribe. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night.